Hey everyone, it's Marc James here with a quick tutorial on how to import custom presets into Lightroom Classic CC and Lightroom CC. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so here on my desktop, I actually have my first preset pack that I've created. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description, but I'm just going to unzip this so we can get into the files. And in here we can see we have a Lightroom CC and Classic CC folder, and then we have all our preset files ready to go here. So to import these into first Lightroom CC, I'm going to open Lightroom CC. And in this panel, if we go up to File, Import Profiles and Presets, then I'm going to go to my desktop and find that folder with the presets. Click the first preset, hold Shift, click the last preset to select all of them, and then hit Import. And then Lightroom CC has told me there's 13 presets imported, and then I'm going to go up here to our adjustment panel if it already isn't open. Down the bottom there's a button here called Presets, and then under User Presets I can see that my imported presets are there ready to go. So by default, Lightroom puts your imported presets under this User Presets folder. But what I want to do is I actually want to rename that so I know what presets pack this was from. So I'm going to right click, hit Rename Group, and I'm just going to name it the name of the preset pack, which in this case is my preset pack. So I'm just going to rename this and then hit Rename. And there we go. On the right here I can see it's been renamed and it's ready to go. Something else I like to do to keep things organized and tidy is actually take away these default presets that Lightroom come with that I never really use. So to do this, we're going to click up here and click Manage Presets, and then we can just untick all of the preset folders that we're not going to use. Once we've done that, hit back, and there you go. We've just got our preset pack and all our presets are ready to go. Now quickly before I move on, if you use Lightroom CC on your computer and on your mobile, these presets will actually automatically sync to your mobile and be ready to be used on the go. To apply a preset, you simply click on it and it'll apply it to the photo, and then you can make all your adjustments in the adjustment panel. Now let's head over to Lightroom Classic CC and import presets into here. Here you can see I've got the same photo open and I'm currently in the Develop module. Over on the left you can see we have a panel called Presets, and it's got all the default Lightroom presets. To import presets, we're going to click this plus button, hit Import Presets. It's going to open up that folder where we just imported the last presets. Again, click the first one, hold Shift down, click the last one so you've got them all selected, and then hit Import. Again, by default, Lightroom's going to put this under the name User Presets. So again, we want to rename that so we know what presets this pack is from. So to do this, we simply right click User Presets, hit Rename, and then rename that to whatever your preset pack was called. In this case, it's my preset pack, so I'm going to rename it again. Hit OK, and you're done. Now we know what preset pack this is from for future reference. Again, to organize this and get rid of the preset groups that we don't really use, we're going to hit the plus button again, go Manage Presets, and then simply untick all the groups you don't use. This is totally up to your personal preference, but for me, I don't find I really use these at all. Hit Save, and you're done. Now you can apply the presets by simply clicking on them, and if you go over to the right, you can make all your adjustments. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.